Hello guys, in this video we will know about why you don't need an antivirus. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. As we all know that Microsoft is providing a number of features in Windows 10 operating system. And one of the most important feature is Microsoft Defender, which protects your system from malware, from viruses, and so much more. And one of the most important free tool that is providing by the Microsoft, that is Microsoft Safety Scanner. You can download that and use that and scan your system, and it can scan all your viruses or malware things in your system totally free. So if you want to download it, you can download it from Microsoft. First of all, you have to open your favorite browser and write down here Microsoft Safety Scanner, and here you can click on this link. It depends upon your system, which type of system you have. You have both availability here, 32-bit and 64-bit. Right now I am having 64-bit. I will download this one here. Click on it. Now it will take some time to download. Now you can see that it has been downloaded. Now you can see download has been completed. Now click this exe file and minimize here and click here run. Now check this box and click next. Click here next. Now you can use quick scan, full scan, or custom. It depends upon you which one you want to. Right now I will keep it here quick scan. Click next. Now it's scanning my computer. Now it will take some time to complete the quick scan, and I hope you find this video informative, and if you like this video, please subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.